Y'all, let me tell you how I'm about to crack open my little wine, pour me up another cup. This that barefoot pink Moscato. I know it's washed out on camera, but it's okay, y'all. It's all good. Just pour me up some of this because I'm about to kick back and relax, y'all. I'm having my little me time. I'm about to do my makeup. Going nowhere. I just feel like looking cute, making a video, and sipping my wine. That's it. All right, y'all. So as you can see, I got my base and my brows. So let's just jump into it. I'm about to attempt to do like a half and half type situation. You know, just a little, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take some blue now. That was way richer than I had expected. Okay, so I had to kind of adjust my light a little bit because I was getting washed out. So I feel like this is a little better. Now you can see the pink. Okay, so I'm going to take a darker blue and bring it down just a little bit lower in my crease. It's making me think of that old school song, Cotton Candy. Y'all know that song? What y'all know about that song? I wonder if I got some older viewers that know what I'm talking about. Y'all probably gonna be looking at me like, what I know about it? I know about it, honey. I know. Yes. I know all into it. Cotton candy. Let me quit playing. But no, y'all. When I tell y'all this little wine, know it be hitting. I know I'm smacking. I know I'm smacking all on the camera, y'all, but I just got a love for that pink Moscato. I found this pink in that Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I don't think I've used that pink. If I have, it was so long ago. But I'm about to use it tonight. I think I want to put a little bit more here. Really mix that. I think that is so pretty. What you say now? Look at this. A dark blue. Oh. Don't even ask me how I came up with this. What made me want to do it? Because I truly don't even know. But I like that. I'm going to blend that out a little bit more. Gotta blend out that line. A little bit of that dark blue. And blend with that. That's how you're going to erase that line. With that same color. See that line right now? Let's see what we could do with that. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do like a double line. So I just bought this one, y'all. This is the NYX Super Fat Eye Marker. This is my first time using this one. And I'm gonna see if I like it. I didn't do any reviews on this. And I know this been like all over the internet when it did come out. But y'all, I always be late to the game and that's okay. That's okay. Okay. Okay, so far, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that. But I have not successfully done a wing in so long. And tonight, girl, it's showing eye. Y'all, I can't even really make out if I got these eyelashes on right. They feel okay, but hopefully this eyeliner is thick enough that you can't really tell. All right, y'all. So far, this is what we came up with. I really, really like this. I feel like it's so Barbie dollish. And I like how I did that white line. Y'all, I am too cute, okay? I really, really like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, do my foundation off camera, and then I'm going to come back, finish up the bottom part of my eyes and my lipstick. See how tiny that is and flat? I'm just getting really, really close to my lash line. So, probably already guessed it, but my J. LaRue white gold pigment, I'm just gonna wet my brush and put that in my inner corner because I really love a dramatic inner corner. Y'all, I'm gonna have the worst headache in the morning. I can already see. It's just like the icing on the cake. Too much? Okay. And that's not coming off. Okay, gloss. You should already know. I'ma just do Oyster Girl. I mean, y'all thought I was gonna switch it up. Actually, I might. So today for my lips, I'm not gonna do lipstick. I'm not gonna do liner. Just some gloss, and I'm gonna use this plumping lip gloss. And that's all it say, y'all. Plumping lip gloss. Anyway, I got this from Sally's. Sinful Shimmer. That's the name of it. It's like a pink with like gold reflex. It's so pretty. Watch this. Look at how pretty that. And it smells good. It's like every time I say a lip gloss smell good, I swear I want to say it smell like coconut, but I can't even. I'm trying to smell it to see how to call it, but I just want to call it coconut. It smells really good. I know that. That's the main part. I'm in love with like pale pink glosses, if you haven't found that out by now. I hope you all really enjoyed this makeup look. I can't believe like I actually executed this. Y'all, I didn't do no glitter this time either. Like, I really did that. Look at this white line. Like, come on. Y'all. This is a two-tone smoky eye. So different from anything that I normally do. Like, I just thought this was so cute and different.